Hi senior infants, this is your Just Phonics tutorial for Wednesday the 10th of February. We are on to page 82 and 83, and as you can see it's a big poster page with a kind of a pirate ship scene. And you've done these before with me. We basically have to read the words around the outside. They've got all the different sounds that we've been doing for the last good few pages, and then you have to try and find the things in the picture. Now, I would say with this one, um, only color in the things that are written down in the words. Okay, so what do I mean by that? You read this here. You say wh 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 ip ip whip whip. A whip. What is a whip? It's something that a pirate might use, or Indiana Jones uses one as well, or a person might use if they're trying to make a horse go faster. A whip is something you use to hit things. So this pirate here has a whip, and he's holding it in his hand. So you will put a circle around this, draw a line down to the whip, and you will just color in the whip, okay? And that way you can kind of easily see that you have colored in the correct thing. Okay, you don't have to color in the whole picture, just color in the pictures of things that you see. I'll do the next couple of them with you, and then I'll let you guys off on your own. So sh sh l. And remember, when you are sounding out a word like this, you have sh, that sound there, you have and then you have two l's together, which just makes an l sound. You just say it once. You don't say sh l. You say sh because you just say it the once. Shell, shell, shell. Is there a shell in the picture? Yes, of course. There is a shell over here. There's also a shell over here. So you can pick whichever one you like. You can draw a circle around it and join that up down here. Now, there are some words that have no matching picture. The challenges down here, part B, are to write the words that have no matching picture. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 words. Okay, if you look closely at them, you will see that this one here has a sound, a single letter sound, a one letter sound again. So one letter sound, a two letter sound. So watch out for that. That's a two letter sound there, and then a one letter sound again. This one over here has a one letter sound, one letter sound, one letter sound, and one letter sound. So you know what will fit in there. Over here, you've got a one letter sound, a longer one, so that's a two letter sound, and then a one letter sound. And then over here, you've got a two letter sound and a one letter sound. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3 letters that go in there. So where will we find one that does not fit in there? Let me see. We have got. I'm going to go with this one here. No, sorry, that is in the picture. Give me a sec. Oh, this one here will do nicely. Okay, so over here, you've got this word. We know it because it's in our sound O. So we've got O, K, oak, oak, oak. An oak tree. Is there an oak tree in the picture? There is not, because there are two trees over here on this hill, but they're not oak trees. They are palm trees. Okay, that would grow on a desert island. So we've got oak. So where would that fit down here? Can you fit it in here? Well, first of all, take a look at the word oak. It's got a two letter sound. So O is a two letter sound. And then it's got a one letter sound. O, K. So you look at this one here. Will it fit here? Has this got a two letter sound to begin with? It hasn't. Okay, it won't fit in there. How about over here? Has this got a two letter sound to begin with? No, it doesn't. That's got a one letter sound and a one letter sound. This one here, has it got a two letter sound? Nope. This one has a two letter sound followed by a one letter sound. So you can write down O, O, A, and then K, O, K, O, K, and that will fit down there. So there are four pictures there, and also you can put an X through that because there's no oak to draw a line to. So you can read all these words as you go around, try your best with it, and try to find them in the picture. And if you can't find them in the picture, then they must belong down here because they have no matching picture, the words that have no matching picture in there. And as I said, try to find the ones that fit in each space. Best of luck with it, guys. There's actually quite a bit to that page. It's quite tricky. I'm going to I'm going to just call out the ones actually that are on the page, just because some of the words you might not know. So we've got whip, okay, because that's a word that I remember people weren't sure of the last time we did it. Whip. Shell, we all know what a shell is, from the sea, a shell. Boot, we all know a boot. I'm going to gold coins. There are definitely gold coins. We know those. Chest. A chest is like your chest that you have in your body, where your heart is, and it's also a chest where you can keep gold coins in it. A big giant kind of a container for gold coins. Fish. We all know a fish. And ore. There's a tough one now. I'm going to highlight the word ore over here. Oar is this thing here. It's a paddle that you use for rowing a boat. Oar. So I've kind of given that one to you. You can just put a circle around that and a line down to the oar and colour that in. Boat. We know what a boat is. Oak. We've talked about that already. A hill. We know what a hill is. A hook is it's a kind of a. I'm gonna highlight that one too for you. Hook. H o k. Hook, or hook. Some people might say hook. I would say hook though, to be honest. H o k. Hook. And a hook is what this guy has in his hand here. It's basically just a shape. A hook is a hook shape. A clothes hanger has a hook on it. And also hooks are useful for hanging things. Chain. Okay, so a chain is when you get links of metal all attached together. Card. Card is like a card that you give someone for their birthday. A gull is a seagull, a type of bird. Ship is like a big boat, a huge boat. A rose is a flower. A train is, of course, a choo-choo train, a form of transport that goes on tracks. A cloud is clouds up in the sky. A skull is the bone that makes up your head. And a tie is something you wear around your neck. Okay, so best of luck with that, guys. It's got a lot to it, but I think I've given you hopefully enough information to help you guys finish that one. You might even be able to do that on your own. So best of luck with it, guys. Slán agus gura maith agaibh.